Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I forgot to film an intro. I'm so sorry. If you want to see how I did this look, please stay tuned and keep watching. I'm going to go in with the LA Color Concealer in the color Fair. Yeah, prime those lids, girl. Now I'm going to be taking the Morphe X James Charles palette and be using the color You're Kidding, which is red. You guys know I love red. Red's my favorite color. Just saying. Now I'm taking orange, even though it looks yellow, but it's orange, and it's 518. Now I'm cutting my crease with the same LA Color concealer. I'm messy when I cut my crease. As you can see, it looks a mess, but I promise, it looks better when I'm done. Now I'm taking Flashback, which is a really pretty white. Now I'm actually taking yellow, which is B. Yeah, that yellow is popping. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild eyeliner. I don't know why, but I always want to say mascara. Weird. You know, just doing my wing like normal. Can't live without my wing. And I like my wings big so I can fly away from people's bullshit. It's so satisfying watching me put on my eyeliner for some reason. I don't know why. Weird. Now I'm taking the blue shade, which is Brother. Now I'm taking the green shade, which is Daddy, and Social Blade. I mixed both of them together because one was a lime green and then one was a dark green. Just keep blending. I felt like I lost some of the blue color, so I definitely packed some more up on there to make it bright. Now I'm cutting my crease again, messily, oh my goodness, messy. Oh look, my wing appeared on the other side. Oops! Now I'm taking the yellow shade again, which is B.
I'm gonna do my face makeup. Wet n Wild primer. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Liquid Foundation in the shade, I don't even know what shade I'm in, 7.75. Wet n Wild contour stick. So I'm going to take this loose powder, it's from Wet n Wild, and it's in the shade Banana. Half and half contour. Now I'm going to go in with the Ulta highlighter. I'm going to go in with the Day Night. So I'm putting green on this side. And then I'm putting blue.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed my video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you! Bye!